Want to skate backwards but don't know where to start? I'm Shishi, aka Bloom, aka your new skate bestie, here to teach you all the tips and tricks to get you confident and comfortable on your roller skates. We've talked about rolling forward, proper stance, how to be comfortable on our skates. We've even talked about 1 foot balance. And now that we know all about going forward, we're going to talk about one of the easiest ways to move backward. Bubbles. Like we talked about going forward, same thing with going backwards when doing bubbles. They're a key fundamental to strengthening your control and your muscle memory, improving your balance, and helping you learn to glide effortlessly on your roller skates.
One of my besties is having a lot of trouble doing backwards bubbles, so we are going to break it down step by step so you can get rolling with confidence.
All right, let's break it down.
First, let's talk about your stance. Bend your knees slightly and lean forward just a bit. This keeps your weight centered and prevents falls. Keep your feet shoulder width apart, with your toes pointing inward like a pigeon-toed position. This setup is your foundation for control and balance. Now for bubbles. Start by pushing your heels outward, forming a V shape. Then use the inside edges of your wheels to pull your feet back together. Think of it as an out, pull in motion. Keep your movement slow and controlled. It's not about speed, it's about getting comfortable with the glide. Remember, your knees should stay bent and your weight should shift slightly with each motion. This keeps everything smooth and stable. Learning something new can feel awkward at first, but that's the fun part. Every time you practice, you're building not only your skills, but also your confidence. Even small improvements matter, so celebrate them. Backwards bubbles are your gateway to more advanced backward skating, so stick with it. And hey, don't worry if it's not perfect right away. Progress is better than perfection, and even the best skaters started right where you are. Ready to take the first step or roll toward mastering backward skating? Practice your bubbles for a few minutes each session and watch how quickly you improve. If this tutorial helped, double tap, sub on YouTube, or follow me here on TikTok for more daily skating tips. Tag me in your progress videos. I'd love to see how you're doing. Let's skate this journey together because every skater starts somewhere. See you on the skate floor, bestie.